All right, good morning, you guys. My name is Robert. Otherwise, my name is Bear. This is the name of my channel. I'm just gonna try to do some journaling. I want to make this a regular thing where every morning after I finish my trading, I do a quick little journal just to kind of keep track of what I did and where I'm at. So this morning was a pretty good day, actually, clean and quick and simple. First trade I took was on Urban Outfitters. It was gapping up, but on no real news or information that I could see. So in the morning, it was looking really weak right here, and it pushed up, but then failed immediately. And I was doing this chopping sideways consolidation, so I was looking to take it short on the break of this range. So I anticipated a little bit, went short, and just took some covers on the way down. It got down to this area, it stalled out, took some covers. This area I got a little bit weak. It was just very slow and was holding, and I was really afraid it was just going to go back up against me. Uh, but I held, and I just kept taking just small nibble covers all the way down until I got to almost 33, and when I took my final cover, and not my final cover, I'm sorry, my last good cover, and then it was starting to go back up, and with these trying to stocks, especially if I've taken most of my covers, I try to be a little bit patient because a lot of times things will go back to VWAP, test VWAP, and then fail again. So I had to stop just above VWAP just to see if this thing would hold and bounce back down, but it didn't. It went back above VWAP and held, and so exited out that trade completely. So that was my trade on Urban Outfitters. Clean, simple. Glad I took it. My next trade was on ROKU. It was a bullshit trade. Nothing really. Oops. Sorry. Let's switch this up. Nothing special. It didn't do what I was hoping it was going to do. Uh, so ROKU was had gapped, had a big up day 2 days ago, and so looking to, and if then yesterday it faded down, it faded all day for the most part. So I was looking for this thing to have a continuation fade. So it was consolidating and choppy this morning. It went up, but failed, and it was hanging around the 9 and 20. It was actually going down below 9 and 20 in the view app. So I just started to size in little by little with nibbles, but it was too strong in holding and went back up against it and stopped me out. Now looking on the 5-minute chart, looks like it wants to sell off. Went up to this pre-market high a day. That would have been a good trade. Pre-market high, rejection, sell off. But yeah, that was my trade on ROKU. So it was a loser, small loser, but it was a loser nonetheless. And then final trade was on STZ. STZ, let's see here. So STZ was a big gap down stock on earnings, news, projections, forecasts, I should say. And so, so it didn't sell off anymore in the morning. It had this big pre-market sell off like it did, but then it held its pre-market lows. You can see over here. So as it was holding the 9, the 20, and especially the VWAP right here, and I kept watching it, just kept watching it, and then as I was eyeballing it to get in, it was really just consolidating above the 9 and the 20. It wasn't even going below the 20. So I got in long here. It was chopping around sideways a little bit, scaring me out, but thankfully it did show me some resolution and break above this consolidation area. And then I just started scaling out pretty much every 50 cents. I had no real price target on it per se. It's going to be a big mover no matter what. So I just started scaling out every pretty much 50 cents, 50 cents, 50 cents. 50 cents, another 50 cents, another 50 cents. That was more than 50. And then this one was this final cover was a trailing stop loss. I had set for like a 75-cent trailing stop loss, but so it went up, fluctuated, came back down, and hit it, which was for the best. I guess I could have set a target at 158, which I had an idea for, and then gotten an extra 50 cents there. But I wanted to experiment with the trailing stop loss to see if I can just trend this thing up all day, but it's not what I wanted to do. So those are my trades for the day. Happy overall. I'm hoping to keep up this journaling every day, so we'll see if I'm able to. A lot of mornings I'm just lazy. I have a good day, or especially have a bad day. I'm just like, F it. I'm gonna get out. I'm done. But I'm gonna try to keep this consistent. I'm not sure if I will, so I'm sure there's gonna be plenty of days where I don't journal, but that's what I'm gonna try to do. Anyways, thanks for watching.